2025, the Missile R-Han122B emerges as a symbol of how modern missile technology is evolving to meet the demands of fast-changing battlefields. Designed with a strong focus on precision, adaptability, and survivability, the R-Han122B represents a new generation of guided missile systems built for both strategic deterrence and tactical superiority. Its development reflects a shift toward smarter weapons that rely not only on raw power, but also on advanced guidance, networking, and flexibility. The R-Han122B is engineered to deliver highly accurate strikes against a wide range of targets. Using an upgraded guidance system that combines inertial navigation with advanced terminal tracking, the missile is capable of maintaining accuracy even in environments with heavy electronic interference. This allows it to remain effective against modern air defense systems that rely on jamming and deception. The missile's guidance logic constantly adjusts its flight path, ensuring it stays locked on target until impact. One of the key strengths of the R-Han122B lies in its improved propulsion system. The missile is optimized for rapid acceleration and stable flight, allowing it to reach its target quickly while maintaining control throughout its trajectory. This performance reduces the enemy's reaction time and increases the chances of mission success. The balanced design ensures efficiency without compromising range or maneuverability, making it suitable for both short-range tactical missions and longer-range precision strikes. In terms of payload, the R-Han122B is designed to support multiple warhead options depending on mission requirements. This modular approach allows military planners to adapt the missile for different roles, whether engaging hardened targets, high-value assets, or mobile threats. The flexibility of its payload configuration makes it a versatile asset in modern arsenals, capable of responding to diverse combat scenarios. Another important aspect of the R-Han122B is its compatibility with modern launch platforms. The missile can be deployed from various ground-based systems, and its integration with digital command networks allows real-time data sharing before and during launch. This network-centric capability enables faster decision-making and better coordination with other assets, such as drones, radar systems, and command centers. From a strategic perspective, the Missile R-Han122B